Now I will show you how to enable and disable the Windows 10 update. Now follow the procedure I have shown. First, you have to open the control panel on your computer. Now you have to click on Administrative Tools. Now click on Service. Now find Windows Update. Now click on Windows Update. Now click on Disable and OK. Now your Windows Update is disabled. If you want to enable update later, use same method. Just click on Windows Update and select Automatic Update option. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.